Mackenzie, wait. So Brandon and I got in a really heated discussion about how to make fried rice. I think it's when you just like roll rice and like flour and then throw it in the fryer. He said it wasn't. So I'm right? Because I want to get back to him as soon as possible.
No, Lance, you really don't know how to make fried rice?
No.
It's a good video idea. And if you're gonna get back to him, let him know that he's right. Don't put it in a fryer. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So, since Lance didn't know how to make fried rice the correct way, we thought that it might be a good idea for one of our videos. So, let's get started. First, we need the ingredients. They are, which way?
I don't know. Bye.
Down? Okay. Alright, now that we know the ingredients, let's start. In a medium skillet over medium heat, heat olive oil. Season chicken with salt and pepper on both sides, then add to skillet, and cook until golden and no longer pink. 8 minutes per side. Remove from skillet and let rest for 5 minutes, then cut into bite-sized pieces.
To the same skillet, heat 1 tablespoon sesame oil, add onion and carrots, and cook until soft. 5 minutes. Add garlic and ginger and cook until fragrant. 1 minute more. Stir in rice and peas and cook until warm through. 2 minutes more.
Push rice to one side of skillet and add remaining tablespoon of sesame oil to the other side. Add egg and stir until almost fully cooked. Then fold eggs into rice. Add chicken back to skillet with soy sauce and green onions and stir to combine. Now let's try it.
Yay!
It looks and smells really good.
Yes.
It's still hot. Should be cooled off a bit now.
Oh, wait, we need chicken.
Yeah.
Also part of its name.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Very, very good.
Yeah, it tastes really good actually. Well, I hope you guys make it at home. I think, what do you think? Maybe it could use a little more soy sauce. Maybe I'll try that next time. But yeah, I think it's really, really good. So please, if you like it, make sure to follow us on Instagram or Facebook, you know, that whole thing. But yeah, see you next time.
Please make sure to like our videos
Follow us on Instagram or Facebook.
and fry the subscribe.
Wait, Lance, how do you fry the subscribe button?
Well, you toss it in flour and throw it in oil.
No!